Hi, Rod Young here. This is Tokoroa. I'm looking at fixing a ride-on mower. So what happened is it gradually got less and less what we'd call compression to the point that it wouldn't start. So I got out there, turned it over, and I've got video footage of that, but it just wouldn't start, making a sound. What that meant to me is I had to take off the air guard, I had to go inside, and I had to undo the nuts and bolts to get in and have a look. I did a spark plug test, and then when I got that covers off, I found that 4 of the 8 head bolts were loose, and that had caused the loss of compression. I tightened them up, and then I was able to start the mower, but it was still making that so I decided, right, I'm going to get stuck in and take the head off, undid all the bolts and pulled it off. And you will see the gasket. And in the gasket, right by where the exhaust was, it had blown itself out. There you go. There's a picture of the gasket coming off and the head coming off. And you can see the gasket there is blowing out. And that will get replaced tomorrow. I'll put it back together, and that will get this mower back mowing the grass, and away we go. Thank you. Hi, Rod Young here. This is